Dollar cost averaging DCA is an investment strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money into a particular asset like a stock or fund at regular intervals, regardless of the asset's price. The goal is to reduce the impact of volatility on the overall purchase. Instead of trying to time the market to buy at the lowest price, you spread out your purchases. Why do people use it? 1. Removes emotion. It takes the guesswork and fear out of investing. You don't have to worry about whether today is a good day to buy, you just buy automatically. 2. Reduces risk of bad timing. It prevents you from investing a massive sum of money right before the market crashes. By spreading it out, you lower the risk of buying everything at a peak. 3. Encourages discipline. It turns investing into a habit, much like paying a bill. This is particularly effective for long-term goals like retirement, e.g., for 401k contributions. Accessible for beginners, you don't need a large lump sum of money to start. You can begin with a small, regular amount. When is DCA most useful for regular wage earners? Most people get paid every 2 weeks. DCA is a natural fit because you invest a portion of each paycheck. When you have a large windfall, if you suddenly receive $100,000, you might feel anxious about investing it all at once. DCA allows you to invest it in chunks over 6 or 12 months, helping you sleep better at night if the market drops soon after you start. For volatile assets, it's an excellent strategy for assets known for price swings, like cryptocurrencies or growth stocks. The potential downside: while DCA reduces risk, it can also reduce potential reward. In a consistently rising market, if the market goes up and up a bull market, investing a lump sum all at once at the beginning will outperform DCA. By spreading your money out, you end up buying at progressively higher prices, missing out on some of the early gains.